Hello travelers, welcome back to another journey with me. So in this channel I share my travel experience with you guys. So I recently traveled with OSRTC Volvo 9600 from Hyderabad till Bhubaneswar. So I will be sharing with you guys my experience and how to book and what are the amenities they have to offer. From Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar, they have a daily bus running at 4 in the evening. Hyderabad, this bus does not have many pickup points. You only have to go to the MG bus station. That is the only bus stop they have their pickup from Hyderabad. When you start your journey, we travel from NH65, then we come to NH16 to continue our journey, and the view was very scenic all throughout the journey. Let me tell you about the amenities they have to offer. The bus is Volvo 9600, so the interior and exterior are quite usual, as usual Volvo super buses. For the amenities, they offer USB charging port, C-type charging port, there is backrest, and they also offer a pillow. In the bus I was traveling, the C-type charging port was not working. I think it may be some technical issue, but that's fine. They also offer some shoe rack kind of thing, so you can keep your luggage and shoes in there. Then there are curtains in every seat, so you can have your own privacy. The bus was nice and clean. They have few rest stops. You can get down, have your snacks and all. So also one more important thing, let me tell you about the rest stops. As a female traveler, I felt that the rest stops were decently clean. I would not say it was very clean, but it's in a decent condition to use. So as a female traveler, I would give it up, thumbs up. We started our journey from Hyderabad, and when we reached Odisha, the view was mesmerizing. I was traveling in the rainy season, so it was really beautiful outside. The view was very scenic and the weather was like 10 on 10. So our bus reached on time, and it was a very nice experience to travel with OSRTC, and I will be looking forward to travel more with OSRTC buses. If you want to book your tickets, so you need to go to their website or OSRTC application, or you can book through the counter as well. Their bookings are not available on third-party websites like Redbus and Abhibus, so you have to go to their websites or try the ticket counter. There is a special concessions for female travelers as well under OSRTC buses. So they give approximately of 50% of discount to the female travelers. I booked my ticket from Hyderabad till Bhubaneswar, and I paid approximately 1300 as a female traveler, but the prices are more for male travelers. Overall, it was a very nice experience to travel with OSRTC, and I will be looking forward to keep traveling with OSRTC, and I hope you like this video. I will be keep coming up with more informative videos, and if you like this video, please give it a like, and please comment and subscribe to my channel, and keep traveling.